In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Binance Auto Invest. Whether you're new to investing or looking to streamline your crypto investments, Binance Auto Invest offers an easy way to grow your assets over time. Let's walk through the steps together and make the most of this efficient investment tool. First, you'll want to open the Binance app on your mobile device. Once you are in, navigate to the Earn section right on the main screen. This is your starting point for setting up an automated investment strategy that will work for you even when you're not actively trading. Next, look for the option labeled Auto Subscribe. You'll see an Activate button right beside it. Tapping this button is your next move. This clever feature is designed to help you effortlessly manage your crypto investments by automating the investment process, ensuring that you're consistently buying into the market without the need for constant attention. After activating auto subscribe, a prompt will appear, encouraging you to tap Activate Now. Go ahead and do that. This step is necessary to officially enable the Auto Invest feature, setting the stage for regular automated investments. Now it's time to select the cryptocurrency you wish to invest in. This can be a big decision, as different cryptocurrencies may offer varying levels of risk and potential returns. You'll see options like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Binance Coin BNB, among others. Take a moment to consider your investment strategy and which currencies align with your goals. Once you've chosen your preferred crypto, you'll need to set your investment amount. Determine the quantity of money you're comfortable investing regularly. After deciding on the amount, select your investment schedule. You can choose to invest daily or weekly, depending on how actively you want to manage your investments and your personal financial strategy. An interesting tip here is that smaller, regular investments can sometimes reduce the risk of market volatility, a method commonly known as dollar cost averaging. With your preferences set, the next step is crucial. Confirm your selection, double check that everything is in order, and then confirm your choices. Congratulations, you've now started your journey into auto investing with Binance. Now you can sit back and watch your investments grow over time. As the prices of your chosen cryptocurrencies potentially rise and the rewards compound, you'll be able to enjoy the benefits of your automatic investment strategy. Keep in mind that crypto investments involve risks, and it's essential to monitor your portfolio occasionally to ensure it aligns with your financial objectives. By following these simple steps, you will be on track to potentially earn more while making the investment process as hassle-free as possible. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.